Good morning, students. We are again coming with our next topic of metals and non-metals. Previously, we have studied about the physical properties of metals and non-metals. Now, we will discuss the second part of this topic or this chapter, that is the chemical properties of metal. What is meaning of the chemical properties? Chemical properties का मीनिंग क्या है? that may be react with another substances, that may be react with the another metal or non-metal, that may be react with the oxygen, water and acid or bases. According to that, these always show the different type of properties. According to that, when they will react with the water, when they will react with the acids, when they will react with the base, they will change their chemical properties. They will change their chemical properties and we get the new substance from them. So these have the different type of properties after reacting with the acid, water and another chemicals. So these are the chemical properties. कौन सी properties में changes होगा? That is chemical properties, and then we get our new substance. Okay, as we studied in the previous classes, the chemical changes always provide us a new substances. Okay, a new substance that can be produced by the chemical reaction of the two different chemicals or different chemical substances. तो उनकी chemical properties में changes होगा. तो what are the chemical properties of metals and non-metals? First, non-metals and metals, reaction of metals and non-metals with oxygen. Okay, ध्यान से देखना इनको. फर्स्ट विद मेटल के साथ में ऑक्सीजन की प्रॉपर्टी कैसे चेंज होगी? Metal and non-metal always forms their oxides when reacting with the oxygen. Metals और non-metal दोनों ही कैसे होंगे? दोनों ही अपने oxides form करेंगे after reacting with the oxygen. Suppose sodium is the metal that is reacting with the oxygen. It will form its oxide, that is sodium oxide. That is sodium oxide. It is not the balanced equation. We have to balance this. Okay. Now it is balanced equation. It is sodium oxide. It is sodium oxide. Are you समझ में? Okay. Now suppose copper will react with O2. It will form copper oxide. It will form copper oxide. It is not the balanced equation. We have to balance this. Now it is balanced. Okay. It means the metal always form the metallic oxides whenever it reacting with the oxygen, and the metallic oxides that is forming here, that is producing here, are as the basic nature. कैसी प्रॉपर्टी होती है इनकी? बेसिक नेचर होती है. उनका नेचर कैसा है? बेसिक प्रॉपर्टी वाले वो होंगे. आफ्टर दैट मोर एग्जांपल वी कैन से मैग्नीशियम व्हेनेवर इट बर्न्ड इनटू द ऑक्सीजन. हमको पता है ऑक्सीजन इज रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर द बर्निंग ऑफ एनी सब्सटेंस एंड द CO2 इज द पुटिंग आउट ऑफ द फायर. CO2 is used as for putting out the fire. फायर को खत्म करने के लिए या बुझाने के लिए, आग को बुझाने के लिए हम लोग कौन सी गैस का यूज कर रहे हैं? CO2 का. एंड ऑक्सीजन इज रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर द कंबस्शन ऑफ द सब्सटेंसेज. ऑक्सीजन के साथ अगर किसी सब्सटेंस की रिएक्शन हो रही है, इट मीन्स इट विल बी कंबस्टेबल. तो मैग्नीशियम रिएक्ट विद ऑक्सीजन, इट विल फॉर्म इट्स ऑक्साइड, दैट इज मैग्नीशियम ऑक्साइड. इट इज ऑल्सो basic in nature. It is also basic in nature. It means metal, or whenever they react with oxygen, they will form its oxides. Okay, or these oxides are basic in nature. Okay, you can write on in your fair copy. Okay, sodium react with oxygen, they will form sodium oxide, and this sodium oxide, copper oxide and magnesium oxide all are basic in nature. Now we will discuss the chemical properties of non-metal with the oxygen with non-metal plus oxygen. Sulfur is the non-metal. Whenever it react with oxygen, it will form the SO2 gas, sulfur dioxide gas. It is sulfur dioxide. Carbon react with O2, it will form CO2. So it is carbon dioxide. आ रही है समझ? तो these oxide of non-metals are acidic in nature. These are acidic in nature. So one more difference between the metals and non-metals. The metallic oxides are basic in nature, while non-metallic oxides are acidic in nature. तो आपको समझ में आया होगा कि whenever the metal react with oxygen, it also form the oxide as well as non-metals also. दोनों ही क्या कर रहे हैं? Non-metals और metals oxides form कर रहे हैं, but they have the different property like acidic and basic. The metallic oxides are basic in nature, while non-metallic oxides are acidic in nature. Okay, next reaction or the chemical property that is shown by the metals and non-metals is reaction of metals and non-metals with water. ऑक्सीजन के साथ में क्या बनाएंगे? वो ऑक्साइड बनाएंगे, इसके साथ में बनाएंगे वो हाइड्रोक्साइड. क्या बना देंगे? हाइड्रोक्साइड. वी हैव always water have the two components, that is hydrogen and oxide part, hydroxyl part. It means water has the H plus and OH minus ion. Okay, so one reaction with metal plus water, metal always form the base as the. Okay, next, suppose I have sodium metal that is reacting with water, it will form its hydroxide, sodium hydroxide, and hydrogen gas is liberated here. Okay, हम लोग इसको बैलेंस आगे करते रहेंगे. नेक्स्ट, सपोज मेटल रिएक्ट विद कैल्शियम H2O CaOH का होल ट्वाइस, दैट इज कैल्शियम हाइड्रोक्साइड. इसको बैलेंस कर देंगे हम लोग. ओके, नाउ प्लस यहां पर भी क्या होगा? आपका H2 गैस इवॉल्व हो जाएगा. ओके, इट मीन्स मेटल ऑलवेज फॉर्म इट्स हाइड्रोक्साइड. It means metal react with water and form their hydroxide. Whenever the metals react with water, they will form their hydroxides. Okay, it is the another property of metals. Next point, but non-metals do not react with the water. Non-metal क्या करते हैं? वाटर के साथ रिएक्ट नहीं करते हैं, वो अपना हाइड्रोक्साइड नहीं बनाते हैं. Okay, next, it means this reaction cannot be performed by the non-metals. Okay, now we will discuss the next point. Reaction of metals with acids and base. Reaction of metals with acids and base. एसिड और बेस के साथ में कैसे रिएक्शन वो दे रहे हैं. फर्स्ट विद एसिड्स. With acids, sodium is the common example of metal. Sodium, whenever react with hydrochloric acids, it will provide its salt. It will provide its salt. It will provide its salt, that is sodium chloride. That is providing sodium chloride, and this hydrogen is replaced in the form of H2. It is not the balanced equation. Okay, now hydrogen is evolved in this condition, so we can say whenever the metal react with acids, the hydrogen gas is formed. Whenever the metal react with acids, it will form its salt, acidic salt or metallic salt. Okay, next, whenever the metal react with, next suppose we are discussing magnesium reacting with H2SO4, sulfuric acid, it will form its sulfate, that is magnesium sulfate, and this hydrogen is also evolved in this. So what is the common feature of this? Hydrogen gas is always evolved in the reaction of metal with acids. Metal with acids, or this condition is always may be formed by the metals. Metals क्या करेंगे? अपना acidic salt बना देंगे. Okay, hydrogen gas always evolved in this. आ रही बात समझ में? नॉन मेटल जो होंगे वो एसिड के साथ रिएक्शन नहीं देंगे. नॉन मेटल्स क्या करेंगे? एसिड के साथ रिएक्शन नहीं देंगे. ओके, तो मेटल्स की रिएक्शन हम लोग किसके साथ देखेंगे? बेस के साथ में. ओनली मेटल्स कैन रिएक्ट विद बेस. मेटल्स, सपोज जिंक रिएक्ट विद NaOH, सोडियम हाइड्रोक्साइड के साथ में किसकी रिएक्शन हो रही है? जिंक की. इट विल फॉर्म द सोडियम जिंकेट Na2ZnO2. इट विल फॉर्म Na2ZnO2, that is sodium zincate. Sodium zincate. In this condition hydrogen gas also evolved. इसका मतलब क्या हुआ? Whenever the metals react with acids and base, always hydrogen gas evolved. These are the chemical properties of metals with the acids and base. Non-metal do not react with base. Okay, next property of this, the fourth property, chemical property of this, rusting or corrosion. Rusting or corrosion. Corrosion is also another property of metals or non-metals. Non-metals or metals की property होती है corrosion. Metals क्या करते हैं? Whenever they comes into contact with the, whenever the metals come in contact with the acids in the water or the moisture, they will get corroded. They will accumulated. Their surface is accumulated with the some unuseful substances or layer of another substance, that is called the rust, or that is corrode the surface. That corrode the surface. उस surface को वो खराब कर देती है. इसका मतलब हम लोगों ने देखा होगा, whenever the iron things or iron objects are placed outside in the open environment in the rainy season or the winter season, they will get corroded by the formation of a red brown layer of iron oxide, that is the rust. For example, iron के जो nails हैं, iron के कुछ pieces हैं, whenever they react with water, जब वो उसको moisture की condition में हम लोग छोड़ देते हैं बाहर, iron oxide always formed and hydrogen gas always evolved. ठीक है, it is not a balanced equation, we can balance this. आ रही है समझ? तो this iron oxide is the rust. वो क्या है? ये जंग है, वो जंग लग जाएगा उसकी. आ रही है बात समझ में? these are the properties of chemical properties of metals and non metals. आ रही बात सर में? तो corrosion की प्रॉपर्टी भी किसमें होती है? मेटल्स में होती है. आई बात सर में? ओके. तो these are the properties of metals and non metals. ओके. ऑक्सीजन के साथ में रिएक्शन हम लोगों ने देखी है. Then we have the reaction with water. Then we have the reaction with acid and bases. And now this is the last point of this, that is rusting or corrosion. These are the properties of metals that we studied in this chapter. We again come with the next point of this chapter, and you will study in this in your book and make the notes of this. If you do not have any understanding of this chapter or this topic, you can ask me on my WhatsApp number, or you can ask in the school. Okay, thank you, have a nice day.